Encountering 5G coverage not available on your T-Mobile device? This error means your device can't connect to T-Mobile's 5G network at your current location. As of March 2026, T-Mobile's 5G network covers over 95% of the U.S. population, but coverage gaps still exist, especially in rural or congested areas. We'll walk through troubleshooting steps to get you back online. Before troubleshooting, let's cover the basics of 5G technology. T-Mobile's 5G network uses three main types of spectrum: low band, mid-band, and millimeter wave, also known as ME wave. Coverage not available messages often appear when you're in an area that lacks mid-band or mmWave wave coverage, or if your device doesn't support the available frequency bands in your location. To access 5G, your device must be 5G compatible. Only newer phones like the Samsung Galaxy S24 or iPhone 16 support the latest 5G features. Finally, check your device's IMEI number on T-Mobile's website to confirm 5G support. This unique identifier tells you if your phone can connect to T-Mobile's 5G network. First, check your signal strength. Use the T-Mobile app or dial **** 4636 #* on your phone to view signal levels. If the signal is below -100 dBmers, move to a location with a clearer view of cell towers, such as near a window or on higher ground. Obstructions like thick walls can weaken the signal. Even repositioning slightly can sometimes make a difference. Incorrect APN, or access point name, settings can prevent your device from connecting to the 5G network. The APN is like an address that tells your phone how to connect to your carrier's network. For T-Mobile, the correct APN should be set to fast.tmobile.com. To verify and set your APN settings, start by opening your phone's Settings app. Then navigate to Cellular or Mobile Data Settings. Look for options like Cellular Data Network or APN. Make sure the APN field shows fast.tmobile.com and that other fields are left blank. If you're unsure about the specific steps for your phone model, search online for detailed guides using terms like APN settings for your phone model T-Mobile. Resetting your APN to the default fast.tmobile.com ensures proper network attachment and can resolve many connectivity problems quickly. Step 3 focuses on SIM card and network mode settings. A damaged or outdated SIM card can prevent your device from connecting to 5G networks, leading to coverage errors. Visit a T-Mobile store for a free SIM swap, or consider switching to an eSIM for modern devices. For network mode, force your device to prioritize 5G. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Network, and select Preferred Network Type. Choose 5G Auto or 5G On if available. On iOS devices, go to Settings, Cellular, then Cellular Data Options and select Voice and Data. Choose 5G Auto or 5G On to ensure 5G connectivity. For advanced users, enabling specific bands like N41 can improve rural access. However, this requires technical knowledge and may not be available on all devices. Keep your phone's software updated. T-Mobile often pushes firmware updates that improve band aggregation and network performance. A major update in Q1 2026 improved connectivity for iPhone 15 users. Let's look at some real-world examples. During the 2025 Macy's Thanksgiving Parade in New York City, many users experienced 5G coverage not available due to network congestion from high traffic. T-Mobile responded by deploying temporary boosters and recommending users switch to 4G fallback through the app, which resolved the issues for most attendees within hours. In another example, in rural West Virginia, T-Mobile installed new cell towers to address coverage gaps in underserved areas. This infrastructure upgrade fixed connectivity issues for over 200,000 users, demonstrating how targeted network expansions can solve persistent coverage problems. Looking ahead, T-Mobile is integrating AI to predict and resolve coverage issues proactively. They're also expanding rural coverage through partnerships and satellite backhaul. Telecom analyst Roger Entner notes T-Mobile's fixes are user-friendly but need more automation. As 5G matures and 6G emerges, coverage should become more ubiquitous. For now, use these troubleshooting steps to resolve 5G coverage not available errors.